Before mounting the forklift on the truck or trailer, fold in and pin the DOT bumper. Switch off the machine when it is necessary to work between the forklift and the rear of the truck or trailer. Adjust the fork width to align with the fork pockets. Approach the rear of the truck or trailer with the reach, or pantograph if equipped, device fully retracted. Drive fully into the truck or trailer until the forks are fully engaged in the mounting kit. Unlatch and stow the seat belt, open the side guard, and exit the machine using the 3-point contact method. Tap and release the ground start rocker switch to engage safe start mode. Press and hold the top of the ground start rocker switch to raise and tilt the forklift until the tires contact the bottom of the truck or trailer bed. Attach the left and right stabilizing chains to the chain stabilizing brackets on the rear sill of the truck or trailer using the stabilizing pins. Secure the stabilizing pins in place using the linch pins. If fitted, fold the SMV triangle closed while transitioning between the right and left hand sides of the machine. While standing in the safe start position, watch the left hand transport chain while pressing and holding the bottom of the ground start rocker switch to lower the machine onto the stabilizing chains. Immediately release the rocker switch when tension begins to appear on the stabilizing chains. Now realign your focus to the left hand lower mast chain. Momentarily push the bottom of the ground start rocker switch again, releasing the switch when the tension in the left hand mast chain has been relieved. When tension has been relieved, the chain will float freely back and forth. Switch off the machine and remove the key. Be sure to close the weather-resistant key switch cover. Connect the SUSI cable. Check that all transport lights function properly. The forklift is now mounted securely and ready for transport. Disconnect and stow the SUSI cable in a safe place to prevent damage during the dismounting process. Switch the machine on using the ignition switch. Once the display turns on, tap and release the ground start rocker switch to engage safe start mode. Safe start mode engages an alarm to alert bystanders of possible machine movement while also disabling travel function. Press and hold the top of the ground start rocker switch to raise and tilt the forklift until there is slack in the stabilizing chains. Remove the right and left hand linch pins and stabilizing pins and disconnect and store the stabilizing chains on the hooks provided. To prevent loss, immediately restow the stabilizing pins and linch pins to the bracket. If fitted, open the SMV triangle while transitioning between the right and left hand sides of the machine. Press and hold the bottom of the ground start rocker switch, releasing the rocker switch when the machine contacts the ground. Enter the machine using the 3-point contact method. Fasten your seatbelt and close the side guard. Safe start mode will automatically disengage after 30 seconds or when the seat presence system detects an operator. Use the lift and tilt functions to adjust the forks until they are free from the fork pockets. Slowly back away from the truck or trailer, looking in the direction of travel. Extend the reach, or pantograph if equipped, fully once the forks have cleared the mounting kit. Before beginning to work, fold out and pin the DOT bumper. Switch off the machine when it is necessary to work between the forklift and the rear of the truck or trailer.